starting the process. Yeah, this guy's doing all the work. I took out 2 screws and I was like, I'm good. Look at those brakes. I know, jelly. Alright, she coming off?
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Whoa.
That was totally my fault. Don't worry, I will pay for damages and even emotional liability stuff.
Good.
Okay, let's pull it. Let's pull over there.
This was here, bro. Thanks.
That was already there before there was a me. Look at the original one. Very tiny. Just gonna disconnect these. I have no idea how to take this off. How do you like loosen this?
With this magic tool.
Look at that thing go. What do you think about the old one versus the new one?
B's small, B's big. It's like trying to breathe through a straw.
Item, so we don't really give a because it's gonna get damaged more or less. But yeah, we're still gonna put it in anyway. Shouldn't affect the airflow. So she's in. We're gonna go for a test drive.
Yeah, so we gotta make sure the intercooler, because it's, you know, got a little boo-boo. We want to make sure everything's hooked up right and that the
Here's the boo-boo.
and that the intercooler actually holds all the boost. Because if it doesn't, just take it back out without the bumper on and not have to go through this whole process again. So yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, yo.